back to our channel, Life Snapshot. Evelyn, Greg and Muttley here from Australia. Wishing you all well. Please check out our other videos. We like to talk about life in here in Australia. A little bit of travel we've been doing. We're going to get more into travel next year. Evelyn started a new cooking segment, which is awesome. You've got to check that out. And I like to talk about my hobbies and stuff like that. And if you've looked at my other videos, please do check them out beforehand. My HA scale deceased estate that I come across. And I opened this up. I haven't opened it, but I got this out of one of the boxes and I thought I'm just going to do a real-time open. There's definitely something in there, but I've checked this out, and if it's real, this is $300, $350 all day, Australian I'm talking, worth of train. So it's very cool. Look at that. So I'm about to open it. It could be just, I don't know, could be anything in here, because some of these boxes I opened weren't what they said on the front, but this looks pretty legit. So hang on, without further ado, here we go. Trying not to break the box. God, it feels like it hasn't been opened. So it's really hard to open. You know how when you first open something, it doesn't want to open. Oh, I don't want to ruin the box. Oh man, I'll try the other side. Oh, the other side, yes. Okay. Oh. I'm trying to get this. I don't want to drop it. Oh, it's even got that smell, you know what I mean? Unopened. So that's a little diagram. And here we go. Here goes nothing. Jackpot. Oh my God, jackpot. Look at that. Look at that. I'm guessing this is 80s, late 80s. How beautiful is that? It looks like it's never touched a track. Incredible. Oh my God. Oh my, I'm just so over the moon with this. I'll gently take it out. Look at that. I'll take this out too, but you've got to see this just so you understand. Look at the marks. That's because it has never been out of the box, I don't think. Look at the because it's probably had a little bit of moisture over the years or something. Who knows? I don't know, but that has never been taken out of the box, I don't think. It is in new old condition. Is that incredible or what? Oh my goodness, I am over the moon. Look at that. Oh, it just runs like it's smooth. And the little, it's heavy. That's as heavy as that. Wow, I am blown away. I'm going to put it back in the box, but I am so happy. I'm going to put it back in the box just gently so it goes back properly. And which way was this? Now I don't know. Oh man, I think it's that way. Yeah, I'm guessing it was that way. I'll try it, but look at that. Is that incredible or what? Unbelievable. $300 to $350, and I think the one I saw was in used condition without the box. So I'll just class it about as much as that. You know, if you were to, you get realistic about these things. You want to sell something like this, which I don't. If you see the other videos, I've explained it a couple of times before. It's not about that. It's about getting bang for my buck, but also it's the passion of the hobby and bringing new old stock like this back to life. Well, I don't think it really needs to back to life. I reckon you just put that on the track and it'll go. but it's just about the passion of the hobby. And I did promise the people, because it was a deceased estate, and it really meant a lot to them that it was going to somebody who wasn't trying to part it out or make money or something like that. No, it's not about that. This is about my later years in life to have some sort of passionate hobby, and this is it, and have something as beautiful as this. Unbelievable. I'm really wrapped. Anyway, guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. Please consider subscribing if it's your first time, and yeah, we look forward to doing some more ones. Who knows what type of topics we're going to bring up, but stay tuned. We're looking forward to doing some more cool stuff. All the best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.